Yes, I want to share something with you today. Hello, you hooray! Look what we've got here. I've got a new blender, and this is my old Bosch blender. You know, I've been having some issues with blender. I've been asking you all what you are using. Those people who have been following me for a longer period can testify to the fact that I couldn't make up my mind fastly to choose the blender that I want. So today you will see how I unboxed this Philip blender, and we are saying goodbye to the Bosch blender. The Bosch blender has really tried. Yes, and we say thank you for serving us for 10 years plus. You are a true servant. So now we say bye bye. So watch and share your thoughts. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, and give. Hello and welcome to our channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this right here. Let's find out together what this is. Let's find out together what this is. Oh, look what we have here. We've got a blender, 5,000 series blender. Oh, so today we're going to bury this. I'm going to say goodbye to this blender. The Bosch blender has really tried. So let's see how this Philip blender is. Wow, came with this, the manual. Yeah, this is like, yeah, the cup is 600 milliliter, 600 milliliter maximum, which means 600 milliliter maximum. That is the cup. Yeah. This. Oh, we've got other cups too. Not just that alone. We also have other cups. Yeah, the accessories. Ooh, I would have said, wow, can you see this? This is so huge, big. I like it. I'm gonna blend so many things here. So many things like tomatoes, beans, and also to prepare my metabolism booster juice. It's gonna be here, prepared here. Lovely. This is great. So let's see. It seems we also have something else that needs to be put out. Oh my goodness. It's so heavy, but not too heavy. It's not too heavy. It's okay. It's actually good. And this is from Philips, so I think this would be one of the best blenders that I have ever used. One of the best blender it will be. Wow. So I'm going to show you what I blended with this new blender. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm sitting to learn so much. Wow. Yeah. I think this should be the cover. This. And I can store some things here in the fridge in this cup here. I'm just unwrapping everything because I'm sure I'm going to use it. If you're not sure you're going to use something, don't unwrap everything. Wow, I like this. This is beautiful. What is about my new blender? I think it's so beautiful. This is beautiful. Wow. This and this. And look at our Bosch blender that has been with me for like 10 years now. This Bosch blender has really tried. And today we are saying goodbye to you. You've really tried, and your blades are not so sharp again like before. So now you have, if it's in Nigeria, we say you don't senior picking. So you're now older than this, okay? This is a new baby that has come to stay. Yeah, beautiful. I'm so happy. So the comparison, I'm still going to compare the both of them, but I'm sure I cannot really compare the both of them because this should be by far better than Bosch. This blender has been here for like years, and I think this should be the new version of Philip blender. So by far, this should be better than this old Bosch, unless I get a new Bosch. That is when I can say, let me compare and contrast. But for now, this is all I have for you. Thank you all for watching. Let me hear your thoughts. And what blender do you use? What do you use? Do you use Bosch, Philip, or whatever?